How to remove watermark in Vita. First of all, open the app on your device and tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the app settings where you can manage various preferences. Next, toggle off the Vita watermark option to remove it. This ensures that all your future projects will not display the watermark automatically. Now load your existing project or create a new one and export it. You will notice that the exported video has no watermark, giving your videos a clean and professional look. Removing the watermark makes your content more appealing for sharing on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. Now you know how to remove the watermark in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.